Firstly, we turn our attention to Norway, a nation that has received commendation from the Secretary of Defense for its steadfast commitment to defense spending. It's worth noting that Norway has pledged to spend at least 2% of its gross domestic product on defense, a significant commitment in an era of fluctuating global economies and shifting geopolitical landscapes. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the President's fiscal year 2025 budget request is making waves. The request is a clarion call for enhancing national defense capabilities. It serves as a stark reminder that the work of national defense is an ongoing endeavor, one that requires constant vigilance and investment. In a surprising twist, the Department of Defense is now prioritizing climate change as a national security issue. This bold move recognizes the profound and potentially destabilizing effects of climate change on global security. It's a shift that positions the environment at the forefront of national defense strategies, a move that could set a new precedent for defense policies worldwide. Yet, in the midst of these grand strategies and policies, the Department of Defense has never lost sight of the individuals at the heart of its operations: the military personnel and their families. Resources and support are continually being dedicated to these brave men, women, and their families, acknowledging the personal sacrifices they make in the name of national security. In a poignant tribute to the sacrifices of the past, an annual 26.2-mile march at the White Sands Missile Range honors the veterans of the Bataan Death March. This grueling trek serves as a stark reminder of the harsh realities of war and the extraordinary resilience of those who serve. Showcasing their skills and readiness, military demonstration teams regularly display their prowess. These demonstrations are not just about theatrics, they're a testament to the high levels of training, discipline, and teamwork that underpin the Department of Defense's commitment to national security. In summary, defense policies and initiatives are continually evolving to meet the challenges of the modern world. From Norway's significant defense spending to the US Department of Defense's recognition of climate change as a national security issue, each strategy is a piece in the complex puzzle of maintaining peace and security. At the heart of it all are the military personnel and their families, the heroes who dedicate their lives to protecting ours. So, as we go about our daily lives, let us remember the ongoing work and personal sacrifices that make our safety and security possible.